Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here, back today with another cryptocurrency price prediction analysis and forecast video, this time on Substratum, which is actually a pretty popular cryptocurrency considering its size, right? Currently ranking at the 128th spot based on market cap. So I'm going to be going over the fundamentals of this really quickly, the website, community size, stuff like that, and also getting into the chart and the price action a bit to sort of give you my price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months, so for 2017 to 2018. And let's get right into, the community size. So around 1,600 people on their subreddit, which is actually relatively big considering, where they're ranking right now on coinmarketcap.com. So not too bad at all. And like I said, it is actually pretty popular considering its size. Now, if we take a look at their website, they, explain what their goal is, and basically what they're trying to do is decentralized web hosting, right? So, as you know, there's a bunch of web hosts out there like GoDaddy, Amazon, stuff like that that keep all these websites running on the internet, and Substratum's goal is to decentralize that, so that web hosting isn't centralized, and that obviously comes with some massive benefits, right, for everyone. So it's a very ambitious goal, and I think it's a good goal. And the only problem is it's not very clear for me how they exactly plan on getting there, right? Since it's such a big mission, I would like a bit more clarity on really the step-by-step on how they plan on getting and achieving that enormous goal, right? And their explanations all over the website are not the clearest. Yeah, like I said, on actually how they plan on getting to the end of the road, right? So if we take a look at their roadmap, you can see that I guess in 2017 they are attempting to get on a cost liquid, I don't know these exchanges, Binance, Bittrex, and I think they talked a lot about trying to get on Bittrex, so we'll see if that happens. Basically, what you have to know about the roadmap is that, from what I could see in the community and stuff, January 2018 seems to be when a lot of stuff could happen for Substratum, right? Namely, its full product launch, as well as possibly getting listed on Bittrex, which would be a very big advancement right there, and could really pump up the cryptocurrency itself. So that's definitely something to look into, and of course, going into January 2018 with all those things being possibilities, that could on its own increase the price as well. Other than that, I'm not really getting to get into all the details of Substratum. Their ICO sale raised over $13 million. But other than that, I'm going to get right into the chart and some of the numbers here. So as you can see, it's currently at around 10 cents, market cap of $24 million. Its volume is relatively decent for its size, around $379,000 traded in the past 24 hours. Here you can take a look at which exchanges they're on as of right now. And getting into the chart here, by the way, I should mention their supply because there's some stuff going on with that. So as you can see, their supply is definitely on the larger side, right, with a circulating supply of 226 million. And they have actually addressed this concern by mentioning and explaining how they have sort of a process on how they're going to go about doing a token burn in several instances. So they will be reducing excess supply over time, which is a good thing, right? It'll definitely increase the scarcity and sort of, reduce a bit that concern in and of itself. And that's definitely a good thing to see. Now, coming over into the chart here, I'm not fully convinced on Substratum yet. I do want to see more clarity in their project and get a better sense of how they're really going to reach their end goal and all that. So I'm not 100% convinced on it as of right now, but the chart isn't looking too bad. There was a bit of a change in tides here recently, which kind of shifted my opinion on where it was heading. So basically, I mean, as you can see, it started trading back in September 2017, went up pretty nicely, and then was basically flat for quite a while, right? And it slowly started downtrending, you know, back in, I guess, October 2017. And it got pretty ugly because that's not the type of price action that I like to see, right? All of this was actually relatively sluggish and, you know, like I said, just bearish downtrend. So what we had November 2nd here was a little bit of a reversal where we actually started uptrending. And this is definitely a good sign. Now, I really don't want to see it do something like over here where, you know, it started a little uptrend and then just started downtrending again. If that happens, I'm really going to turn bearish on Substratum. You know, it bounced off this, let's see, I guess it bounced right over here near this 10-cent support area. And so that's where it found support and started moving back upwards. So where is it going to be heading in the next 6 to 12 months? Well, obviously, if this can keep up, you know, I have no doubt that it'll start climbing back up near its all-time high. And if they're able to get their Bittrex listing and, you know, product launch is successful and everything, I think that it could definitely go much, much higher, right? Really shoot up in the ranking probably if those things pan out to be true. Right now, though, for the next, you know, couple months, definitely could see it moving back up near, you know, its all-time high, 16 cents. And like I said, probably if things go well, a breakout that would push them, you know, much higher in that case. So, you know, it could be up 30, 40, 50 cents pretty quickly after that if things pan out. Now, like I said, that's all reliant on this uptrending holding, and that's something that I really want to see happen because, like I said, if this goes back into some kind of sluggish consolidation or downtrend, I'll pretty much have lost hope on this cryptocurrency. But as of right now, things are, you know, looking for the better, and it does seem like there's a reversal in play. So in the short term, it seems like it's going to be going up a bit. Definitely one to pay attention to because it does have a lot of eyes on it, and like I said, pretty popular for its size. Other than that, this does conclude my video for Substratum. Let me know your thoughts on this cryptocurrency. Do you like it? Do you think it's gonna, you know, be successful? Where do you think it's heading in the next year? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. But other than that, I thank you for watching this video and have a great day.